In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your own virtual private server with Hostinger and manage it using Cyberpanel. For anyone looking to have more control over their website hosting environment and delve deeper into web administration, this guide will walk you through the key steps to get up and running smoothly. First, let's start by purchasing a VPS plan from Hostinger. If you're new to this, VPS stands for Virtual Private Server, which essentially means you get a dedicated portion of a server to host your website, offering more control and flexibility than shared hosting. On Hostinger's website, browse through their various VPS plans. Think about your specific needs in terms of bandwidth, storage, and processing power. Remember, it's always a good idea to choose a plan that can accommodate your site's current demands with some room for growth. Once you've made your choice, follow the prompts to complete your purchase. After your transaction is successful, it's time to log into your VPS control panel. You'll receive credentials from Hostinger, which grant you access. Use these details to log in. If this is your first interaction with a VPS control panel, take a moment to explore. This dashboard is where you'll manage your server, and though it can seem a bit overwhelming at first, you'll become more familiar with it as you use it. Now let's get Cyberpanel installed. Hostinger facilitates this process with a convenient one-click installer found right in the control panel. Alternatively, if you're more technically inclined, you can use SSH to install Cyberpanel. For the one-click method, simply select Cyberpanel from the list of available applications and the installer will handle the rest, simplifying what could be a complex process into just a few clicks. If you choose to install through SSH, ensure you have the necessary command line knowledge to follow through with the process. Either way, Cyberpanel will soon be ready for use. Once Cyberpanel is installed, go ahead and access the Cyberpanel dashboard. This is your control center for managing everything related to your hosted websites. Log in using the admin credentials set during the installation process. Take a minute to look around. Here, you have a robust set of tools at your disposal. From the Cyberpanel dashboard, you can create and manage multiple websites with ease. It's a great tool for managing SSL certificates, which are essential for site security and SEO. You can also configure other security settings directly within Cyberpanel. Make sure to enable any recommended security features, as taking just a few precautionary steps can significantly bolster your site's defenses against potential threats. And there you have it, a fully functional website environment set up on a VPS with the power of Cyberpanel at your fingertips. With these tools, you can easily scale and adjust your hosting needs as your website grows and evolves. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting!